So today I'm going to show you how to make a simple little origami animal. To do this you need a square of paper. I have some nice coloured origami paper here, but you can use any lightweight paper. You just need to make sure it's a square shape. Then I've got some brown paper to make the eyes, a black marker and some glue. Now if you don't have glue, you could also use blue tack or a little bit of tape maybe. And you need a scissors as well. So the first thing you're going to start with is put your square in a diamond shape with one point facing towards your tummy. Then get that tip and pull it up to meet the opposite corner, making your square into a triangle. Okay, now the next step you're going to do is turn it into what will look like a hat. So turn this long face, pull that up into a hat shape. Every time you make a crease, you just make sure it's a really strong crease like that. So run your finger along it. Now we're going to pull these points, so this point here and here, up to that top tip. So get this one here. Now with little fingers, you can help them by curving this in here a little bit. Pull it up until that tip there meets the top point. And then crease along it, and you do the same thing on the other side. So push that in and crease along it. Now turn it over and we're going to fold this top point in there to reveal the ears of our animal, and then the bottom point we're going to fold in here like that. Now it's time to make the face. So you can draw everything on the animal if you want, or you can cut out pieces as well. So I'm just going to draw some little ears in here, and then to make my eyes, I cut out one little oval shape, although you can make your eye whatever shape you want. And then to make them both the same size, I just lay the one you've already cut over another piece of card and cut it out here, like that. Then you can glue these down. Now say you didn't have glue, but you might have a little bit of blue tack. You could get a little bit of blue tack. First of all, draw the eye shape on, like that. Then put a little bit of blue tack on the back. Ooh. Not made for big fingers like mine. And stick it down like that. And if you didn't have, say you didn't have any blue tack, don't have any glue, but you have a little bit of sellotape, cut a bit of sellotape and make a round. So fold it over like that and that. You're making a little round, and then stick it on the back, stick it down. So that's 3 different ways: either glue, blue tack, or sellotape to stick your eyes down. Then if you're making a rabbit like I am, do a little triangle for the nose, and then a little mouth, and give it some whiskers if you want to. So there is a very simple origami project to make with kids. You can do this with younger age groups or older kids as well. And you can make them into little characters or a family of rabbits, or you could put it onto, if you have some white card. So this card is just some that was from the back of a notebook. So you could stick your rabbit onto a card like that, and then you would have an origami card as well. So lots of different ideas to make some origami animals.